Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening YouTube where casting is active. Tap the cast icon on the video player or in the app header. This reveals which device is selected. Once the device list appears, note the active device name so you know what to disable. You do this because disconnecting the right device avoids accidentally stopping someone else's stream. Make sure to pause playback first so disabling won't interrupt a show mid-scene, then proceed to the next step to remove the link. Now actively disconnect the selected device. Tap the active device entry and choose Disconnect or Stop Casting. On some devices, the label reads Unpair or Forget. If you're in Chrome on desktop, click the cast icon in the toolbar and press Stop Casting. This severs the session immediately. Do this because a clean disconnect prevents automatic reconnection. Your phone or browser will no longer route audio/video to the device. Once stopped, verify playback returns to your device speaker or browser tab. Finish by preventing unintended future casting. Open your TV or Chromecast settings and disable guest mode or automatic device discovery if available. On mobile, revoke local network permission for YouTube so it can't see cast devices. You can also clear app cache or site data to reset previous pairings. This forces manual reconnection later. If casting still starts, reboot your router and devices. Troubleshooting tip: if a device refuses to disconnect, reboot that cast device first, then recheck YouTube. The session usually clears.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.